Ashley here with Mentor Mama.
Hey everybody!
She has been behind the camera in a while, so let's give her a nice round of applause.
She comes home from school and gets me on camera in 2 days.
Yes. So, Mentor Mama is going to share, first of all, if you don't know who Mentor Mama is, if you're new here, hello, hit that subscribe button. We share Christian videos weekly. So, Mentor Mama is actually my mom, but she's also, in a way, your spiritual mom. And she gives advice to young women about how to walk the Christian walk.
Today I'm just so excited to share with you the importance of small group ministry and being in a small group. And I'm going to share with you a few of my very favorite studies. The last 17 years I've been part of a ministry called MOMS, which stands for Making Our Mothering Significant. And the mission of this ministry is to teach scriptural truths, foster friendships, and enrich families.
Nice.
And I really can't think of anything else in my life that has impacted me more to help equip me and be a better wife, mother, and friend. Small group studies are just so important. They hold you accountable for actually doing it, which is a wonderful thing. And if you really want to be held accountable, be the leader, because then there really is no option of showing up with your work not done. It gives you an opportunity to discuss biblical texts with other people to gain maybe additional insights that you might not have on your own. And so it's good to talk about text with other people. It's also a safe place that you can come together and share life's ups and downs. You can pray for each other. And it's been a place where I've really just been able to develop some of my deepest, truest friendships. But most importantly, what I want to say is that it really has a trickle-down effect on the rest of your family. You come home and you're just inspired to be a better mom, a better wife. All right, so let's get into the favorites.
So, these are my mom's top 3 favorite books from the last 17 years. She's done Bible studies for the last 17 years, so she knows what she's talking about, right?
Sometimes.
Okay. But I wanted to make a little disclaimer. She is a mom. One of these books is for a mom, but the other 2 can be for any role. But also for you ladies who aren't moms, maybe you will be one day. So here we go.
Yes, for sure. So the first one is by Sharon and Jaynes, and it's called Being a Great Mom, Raising Great Kids. And this particular study is just very, very practical. It's about bringing in biblical truths to everyday aspects of raising kids. And it's just encouraging you when you think the job just can't get any harder. And it can just have a lasting impact on your family. So when I was the director of the ministry, the year that we did this study, someone left a comment that has resonated with me ever since. And she said, "This is one book that I will keep on my nightstand all the years that I have kids."
Aww.
So it's just that good of a resource.
Wow.
The next book is a Priscilla Shirer video Bible study, and it's on Gideon. And what I love about this book covers everything I think that we all face at one point or another. She says, do you feel overwhelmed, inexperienced, intimidated, insufficient?
Too old, too young, too invisible, too afraid.
Yes. So basically what this book covers is teaching you to rely on God's strength in your weakness. And so I just loved her video because she's such a dynamic, powerful speaker. And the material is amazing and encouraging, and you believe you can do it. with
Wow.
God's strength, because you know you can't do it on your own. Okay.
The cat.
Oh dear. All right, so the third book I'm going to show you, and again, I loved all of these studies, so I just picked 3 that I really, really loved. But the third one is a Beth Moore study, and it's called A Woman's Heart, God's Dwelling Place. And this study probably most impacted my depth of understanding of how the Old Testament ties into the New Testament. It goes over
Keep going.
it goes over how God used the tabernacle to reveal himself to the chosen people, how he used it to show his glory. And then that's a precursor to the true tabernacle of Jesus Christ in the New Testament. And so, again, this book just amazed me.
Mind-blowing.
Mind-blowing. And so I just absolutely loved it.
Yay! Okay, so back here are all the studies my mom has done in the last, not
The
all,
ones I could find.
all the ones she could find in the last 17 years. I will have these linked down below if you guys want to go just see any of the other ones she's done. But these were her top 3, and out of 17 years, that's pretty awesome that these are your top 3 and that we get to share with Coffee and Bible Time fans exactly what your top 3 were.
Yes,
So
such a joy.
thank you
And
so
I'm
much.
already excited about the ones we have for next year too.
Ooh.
So maybe I'll save that for another video.
Yes. So thank you so much for sharing your top 3 studies, and we'll see you back another time for another Mentor Mama. Bye guys.